Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I will be showing you how to trade on Etoro. You can trade in simple investments with a market order, a 1x market order, by buying or shorting a stock, and you can also use CFDs to leverage your trade. Now, in order to buy, it's very simple. You can just select this equity which you'd like to buy. For example, you can trade Microsoft. You select the equity which you'd like to buy, just press trade, and you can either trade it, as we stated, through a 1x leverage, so you'll be buying shares, or else you can use CFDs to increase your exposure. Now, as you're seeing, when you're buying it with 1x, you'll have no overnight fees, because when you're holding normal equity, you do not have overnight fees. But when you're doing contract for difference, you're ultimately going into a contract whereby you're amplifying your position. So ultimately there are additional fees, and the more you amplify your position, the more are the fees. So if you're doing a 2x here, as you're seeing, $100 trade would expose you to $200. And if you 5x, $100 trade would expose you to $500. So as you're seeing here, the risks are much more significant. And the overnight fees, as well as the estimated opening fees, are higher as well. Now you can also opt to short an equity. So if you decide to ultimately bet against a company, you go to the shorts, and once again you can use leverage whereby you'll further amplify the results. Now we would be trading Nvidia, so I'll be showing you how to trade with leverage, and I'll be showing you how it's ultimately done and the fees involved. So we would be trading $100, and we'll do a 2x leverage. So as you're seeing, the estimated opening cost here is 31 cents. There's also the weekend fees here, so things can notch up quite high. So you just hit the button and the trade is ultimately done. So we go to the portfolio, and we have the value of the equity, the change in percentage, and the profit or loss. Then you can decide to either take a profit when it hits a certain margin. You can opt to change that accordingly, or you can do a stop loss whereby you ascertain that when it goes below a certain price, the position is ultimately closed. You can also choose to close the trade beforehand.